most of you are watching this video on your smartphone. Let's have a little flashback to that day when you first placed the order for this smartphone that you're watching this video with. A few days later, this smartphone was delivered to your house. You were pretty excited about it. You did the unboxing, you opened the lid of the box, took out the smartphone, looked at it and told, wow, this color is amazing. And you placed it beside the box and you took out the paperwork. Phew, you knew everything in it. Then when you reach out for more contents of the box, you see there's nothing. It's empty.
Subscribe to Technobro SA and do not forget that bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a video.
Nowadays, most smartphone companies are actually not providing the basic wired earphones in the smartphone boxes delivered to you. But Apple went a little further than this. They thought of not providing the charger along with the basic wired earphones in the smartphone boxes. Is Apple trying to produce a real smartphone? The answer might be yes, might be no. The reason they are giving that they are actually cutting down on e-waste, because e-waste is a concern nowadays and it's an issue worldwide. Because think, when you are buying a new smartphone, you know that a charger is already there in the box and a earphone is also there. Might not be so, but consider that earphone is also there in the box. You probably, when charging the new smartphone, you use the new, but what happens to the previous charger of your previous smartphone? It goes to waste. It's basically an e-waste. So Apple is thinking of cutting the e-waste by this way, so that their users can utilize the previous chargers they were having and not the new one. Probably yes, you can buy a new charger. They are always Apple is always selling them. You can always buy them. Not only of Apple, of any other company you can buy. But the fact is that they are intriguing you to use the old charger of your previous smartphone, not the new one. It's upon you to use the old or the new. Under certain circumstances you can go for the previous charger. There might be some reasons, of course. So for that case you can buy a new one. I think that whatever Apple is doing about this e-waste, yes, it will bring down the e-waste to a certain lower percentage. On the other hand, what Apple is doing is they are cutting down a certain price. They are giving you a certain discount on the total pricing of the product. So what do you think? Is this the best way to curb the e-waste pollution? Do comment down in the comment section below, and if you like this video, do drop a big fat thumbs up. And if you are new here, do subscribe to our channel Technobro SA to never miss out from any new daily tech update. So this was it for today. See you in the next video. Bye.